Hi friends, welcome. Can you use NotebookLM to learn Python code? Yes, we can. We'll start from very basic. Say we will try to understand how to connect our Python to SQLite database and get some 10 records from the available tables. So we don't know anything about what are the tables available. Only we know where the location of the SQLite database is. This is a file base like our Excel or any other file type. So it is located in a particular location in our drive or in our system. So we'll ask NotebookLM to give us a code so we can easily connect it and retrieve 10 records. This is as simple as that. So we don't know what are the drivers we'll use, what US do, but we have a Python established platform is available. We'll learn more about this. But before we move, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add, and we are frequently adding that also. Let's move and develop the script. We are in our NotebookLM. You just need a Google account, or you can sign up without that by user ID and password and start using NotebookLM. This is a Google product. So let's create one. So we are creating a new one for fresh one. So let me just bring our path to this. So this, it will allow me to work on it based on my source input. So this time I am not giving anything more. I am just copying a text. Here I am pasting it. So you can see this is not F, actually it's in my E drive. I am giving a path to it where my SQLite database is located. So that is the only input I am giving. I am not giving any other input. I want it to teach me Python, so I have to learn. So I have just given that as a source. So it has taken that. Now fine, I don't require anything notebook guide. I will just start using here I will say I am learning Python, given you the location of my SQLite database file. Give me the code to connect to this database. First, let me understand how it connects. So I am just telling it that give me the code. I am learning Python, given a location of SQLite database. So give me the code. So it has given me the code, and it has given me the code explanation also. What I will do, I will just copy it up to this point. So let me okay, rest everything it has explained it. Now I am just copying this, going to my Visual Studio where it is already Python is available, pasting it. Now I'll see here the output will be, is there any error or not? Sorry, here I have to remove this extra copy I have done. So let me save it and run it. Fine, there is no error here. So it is connected. But say I want to know what is this SQLite 3 it has used, and okay, here is my path I have given. This is the same path it has used. So what is SQLite 3? Sorry, Lite 3 you used here. So let me just ask this question. So it will explain to me what is SQLite 3 and why it is using it. Fine, you can go through that. Okay. Now what I am trying to do is I will ask it, put it in a try catch block, and because if it generates some error, it should give me a friendly error message. So I will say use one try catch code block. And let me just move one more step, and I'll ask show me all the tables within this database, and show me all the tables in this database. So it will give me the code now, which I can use it, so I can connect it as well, retrieve the data. Fine, here it is. So it has given me, okay. So let me, I don't understand anything. I will, where is my connection? Okay, so tables. Fine, let us just see where I will just start copying from here. This is my code ends, so table. Okay, fine, now I got it. Let me just go here, put it there. Okay, this much is the code. I am saving it, running it. Yeah, it shows me two tables are there, student and student join. Okay, now let me just suppose in this, what this thing say, what is this line? Say I want to know what this line is for. So what I am going to do is go to my here, come explain me this line. Okay, let me just paste that line. So I have just asked something within the code what it is. So it will explain to me what for. Explain the SQL query, select name from the master where your type is table. So it has explaining me what this for, what it is used. Like that you can ask whatever for variables, functions, what for this is, you can ask it also. Now let us ask one more thing. Okay, now give me the code to print 5 rows of data from student table. I know there are 2 tables, one is student table, so I am asking give me the 5 rows of data. So let's see what code it gives me, that I will use it for getting 5 rows of data using that. Here it is. Plus it has suggested some more questions. So what type of database is referenced here? What is the database file's location? What is the database file name? You can use this. It has generated some questions for us. Now let's go to the top. Here we are. Now, sorry, where from here? Yeah, yes, here it is. No data found in student table, number limit, number. Okay, here I will start copying from here up to this point. Let's see. Up to this is the code. Now below that the code explanation is there. You can read it also. Let me come to my Visual Studio, Control A. I have pasted that code here, saved it and running it. Wow, fine. This is the 5 records it has directly printed to here. So the code is fine. So far I don't know anything about this command or whatever. I have just keep on asking. Now something again I got to get a doubt or anything, some more improvement I want, or I am not able to understand what for this else condition is, why this try except block. Now the connection is here kept in. All these queries, doubts, we can interact with the our NotebookLM and get it. Now you may ask me a question that you can do it in other say ChatGPT also can give you this much code and you can easily interact with it. Fine, that's another way. But here one big advantage here is, now I will just, sorry, I'm here. Okay, fine. Now I will just slightly change this one. What I will say, okay, I can ask one more thing also. Give me the list of inputs I gave you for my reference. So I can just copy the whatever the inputs I have given. So it will tell me, okay, these are the inputs. You can just see this, whatever we have asked it, explain the select from, okay, whatever we have asked, it has given me a list. Can use it as a reference or send it to or I can save to a note. I can save it. Fine, it's saved as a note. So all the inputs you can forward it there. Now let's do one more thing. Here it is. Now because here I can generate an audio overview. I can carry it while doing some work or anything. I can keep on listening to this. This is the beauty of what NotebookLM gives you. Now I can customize this. Now here what I will tell it is, use our chart or our discussion only. Otherwise what happens, it try to explain you a lot of other things, basics of Python and all. So use our discussion only. I am just started learning Python. Explain me the final code part only. I can specify it. Sorry. Limit the discussion to less than 5 minutes. You can change it based on your requirement. You want something else also to include or things, put it in the customization tabs here. Now let's go to generate. It will generate it for me now. Here is the audio file it has generated. So I am just listening it. You can
And that's
just
a pretty clear
check
indicator
it
that we're
also
dealing
for
with
some
a
time.
database file.
So it is a 5 minutes 9 second audio file. So you can just listen it, download it. Here it is, the download button is there. You can download, delete or change custom. You can delete it and change the customization and recreate it again. Suppose you want it to be focused on some particular area more, not focus on the subject, not to discuss anything other than that, like that. Or at the end it should tell something specifically, subscribe to us, or next episode what you will be learning, and all, whatever you want, you can customize it here. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and you can similarly you can use the notebook LM for various purposes. It is not only for the research purpose only, it is, you can use it as a learning tool also, and you can carry the audio file anywhere. When whatever you are doing, you can listen to it. That's the beauty of it. And my request is, before we close, that please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add such beautiful tutorials. And hope you have enjoyed it. And please share this with your friends. And if you have any ideas, doubt or suggestions, use the comment section below to post it. Thank you for watching.